Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Lorraine, and what I have here is an 8" by 8" canvas. I've covered it with this beautiful blue, which is actually a leftover paint. Actually scraped up from some of my failures. And I'm gonna do somewhat of bloom here today. I'm gonna put a small puddle in the middle of this. It's not very thick, but I just want something to help my paint spread. I'm gonna go in with this Prism Violet. Put a little bit of Rose Gold. Oh, that's pretty together. A little bit of Quinacridone Magenta. Some Rose Quartz by Extreme Machine. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. I will just take the lid off. A little bit of that in there. A little tiny bit of copper. I'm going to go back with a tiny bit of this Prism Violet. And move it this way. Get it back to the center a bit. Now all of those paints are mixed with Floetrol and water, approximately 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and a little bit of water to get them all in equal consistency. What I have here is some Amsterdam titanium white mixed with some Australian Floetrol. And I'm going to put that on the top. Nice layer of that. And I'm going to use my straw and I'm going to blow this out. Just blow it over the other colors. Put this on a piece of paper towel so I can turn it. I need a little bit more of my cell activator here. Ooh, look how pretty that is. I love those colors together. That copper is amazing. Just going to give it a minute to regain its level here. Let the paint level itself out. And then I'm going to tilt it a little bit to stretch it around the canvas. So let's see. The center is still stuck a little bit. Just going to stretch it just tiny, very slowly towards this side. And bring it back. Oh, it's so pretty. takes a little time. You don't want to stretch it too fast and ruin all your lacing and cells. I just want to get my blue puddle over the edges. I don't know that I want my petals over the edges. Get it down there and see. Once I get it down there, if there's something a different plan. Okay, I'm going to tilt it towards me again. The weight of that blue puddle is right on the edge here. So I'm going to try and bring that just over the edge. And let it kind of run over a bit. Bring it back. Try and do the same thing on the other side. So I can see just that slight weight of that ring of blue. It's almost there. Okay. Let it set for a second. And bring it back. I was going to stretch this corner to corner. That's what I usually do with these, but they always come out a little lopsided for me. So I decided I'm just going to do it side to side. Get as much paint off as I can. Almost there. Not quite over the edge. Come on. There we go. I'll let it fall for a second. Oh, these colors are so pretty. And I'm going to tilt it back. Bring it back to the center. You can see there's not a lot of paint on there. It's not moving real quickly. Just going to bring it this direction. A little bit more. And then I'll give you a close-up because these colors are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love with these colors. They are gorgeous, gorgeous. Let it sit and run over the edge just for a second or two. And then I'm going to bring it back to the center. Here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. All right. Let me pick it up and I will give you a close-up of all these beautiful, beautiful cells. Check that out. Here's the center. Some beautiful lacing around the edges. I want to say thank you for coming and visiting with me tonight. If you've subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you for liking and sharing. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. I put content out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you next time. Stay safe, guys. Bye.